Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a regular photo into a beautiful inkwork painting using ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT on your phone or browser, and then next just tap on menu, this one, and then just go to images like this. Scroll down, and then on the style section, just find the inkwork effect or in work styles, this one, just tap on it, and then next just choose your photo, or you can also take a new photo directly from the your camera. In here I will just choose a photo from my gallery, and then next just choose the one that you like, that you want to transform like this, and then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this. Oh wow, I think the result, it looks so cool like this. It's so super cool. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super easy, right? If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.